Today I'm at the Auckland Rendezvous Grand Hotel and it's time for a lift tour. This hotel is a really nice posh hotel and all of the lifts are John Perry's. And now into the main lifts, which have sadly been modernised by Schindler. These are the main lifts at Rendezvous Grand Hotel in Auckland. Try 12. Yep. These are John Perry. They're modernised by Schindler. The indicator shows a picture of this building. A picture of the hotel is on the floor indicator of the lift that is in the hotel. Dewhurst. Rather nice cab. Like I say, these used to be, I think, John Perry. Hi. I'm staying on the 7th floor. We are back at the lobby. Here it goes. That's it. Directly behind these lifts is another set of lifts, which is some nice, old, original John Perry's. Okay, these are the side lifts at Rendezvous Grand Hotel in Auckland CBD. These are also guest lifts, and look, original John Perry, I think. I believe these are John Perry. 12. These are awesome. Indicator is a little glitchy. Here we are at 12. Okay, we'll go back down to the lobby. Same cab as the main lifts. Hi there. They don't say the brand on them, but like I say from watching Jamie Treadwell's channel, I believe they're John Perry. Looking at the buttons. Always makes that weird beeping sound when you come out at the lobby for some reason. There it goes. That's it. And finally into the glass lift. This is a really nice original John Perry, but it only stops at floors lobby, 1, 10, 11 and 12. Also, you can only ride this lift in daylight hours, as when it is dark outside, the lift is locked off. Okay, I'm on the top floor, the 12th floor. Over there is the glass lift. I don't know whether or not it works, but we'll see if we can get in. I hope we can. Yes, it works. Must be on ground, it's coming. This lift only stops at lobby 1, 10, 11 and 12. This is going to be fun. It's a John Perry. Go down to lobby. Indicators appear to be burned out. So this will be awesome. Wow. See all the buses down there? Wow. This is good fun. And here we are at lobby. Both indicators are burned out. And door close button lights up. Oh, look at that. John's Perry. I was right the whole time. They are John's Perry. We're back in the tunnel. Here we are at 12. We'll go back to lobby, because I need to get into a main lift in order to get back to level 7 anyway. And this is just an awesome lift. Up there is the view of the Auckland Sky Tower. Now we're not going up there though, because the view's pretty terrible on a day like this when it's cloudy. And it's so freaking expensive. There's level 1. Here we are at lobby. There it goes. And now to some more pictures and videos around the hotel. This is an escalator at the Rendezvous Grand Hotel. Borough John's Perry. Maintained by Thyssen. It was maintained by Thyssen. I don't know if it still is. Smooth. John's Perry escalators are always so smooth. Just like the ones at North City. Always very, very smooth. Well, technically the escalator is made by John's Perry. Borough is just the type. It is. That's what they call it. But yeah. Okay guys, I'm down by the pool at Rendezvous Grand Hotel in Auckland CBD, and I'm going to be giving you a demonstration on how the key card works. Simple as that. So you put the card in, take it out. If it flashes green, then you open the door. If it does not flash green, then you cannot open the door. I see no reason for that to happen. But yeah, and then if you don't put the card in, you can't open the door. So yeah, that's it.